Hey Mama, today I'm going to be making green monster muffins that I know both you and Little B will love for snack time. It does feature the kale and fiber nutrition powder. This is completely made with plant-based ingredients, so I know you'll love it. It's vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and made without nuts. It comes with this little teeny tiny scoop, and each scoop is equal to half a cup of kale and 2 grams of fiber. This recipe calls for 8 scoops of this. So this is just a great nutritious snack for both you and Little B. It also features my favorite cooking blender. You can also just make this in a regular mixing bowl. But the first thing that I do with this is that I pulse the oats and turn them into an oat flour. So if you were going to make this in a mixing bowl, you would just want to use oat flour instead. All right, so let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is add 2 cups of oats to the cooking blender. I've already added 1 cup, and now I'll add the second. Put the lid back on. And then hit pulse for about 10 seconds, which will turn it into a nice oat flour. The oats have been turned into a really nice oat flour. I'll show you here. See that? Nice and sprinkly. Okay, so the next thing that you need to do is add the dry ingredients. I'm gonna add that in. And then of course the 8 scoops of the kale and fiber powder. Next up are all of the wet ingredients. So I'm gonna add the yummy maple syrup for some sweetness, a half a cup of applesauce, 2 eggs. These are gonna be such a delicious snack. Be really great for breakfast too. Some oil, a teaspoon of some good vanilla. Whoops, did a little bit more. And I had some frozen bananas. When my bananas start to get really ripe, I like to put them right into the freezer. So I just dumped the frozen bananas right in. Okay, so now I'm going to just blend this all up. Set it to custom blend, and it will need to mix for about 30 to 45 seconds. The muffin mix has all been blended, and now it's a really fun monsterish color. I'm gonna be scooping the batter right into my little mini muffin pan. These are just the perfect size muffins for Little B. And into the oven the monster muffins go, where they will bake until they spring back, and it'll be a super yummy snack time.